The problem number 5. The three like parallel forces 100 Newton F and 300 Newton are acting shown in the figure below. If the resultant R is equal to 600 Newton and is acting at a distance of 4. R is equal to 600 Newton, it is the resultant. So I am indicating that one. It is acting at a distance of 4.5 meter from the A point. Find the magnitude of the force F and its position of F with respect to A. We need to determine the magnitude of the F and position of F with respect to A. So the position of F from the point A, nothing but distance of this vertical force F from the A point. Let us take that one as x. We need to determine this x distance. So we need to determine the F value as well as x value. So okay, since the resultant is given, if the resultant is given, we need to write it first. Here the resultant is given and is acting vertical. We already discussed in the previous problem. We have three instances of the resultant. Here the resultant is acting vertical, then vertical component will become R, horizontal component will become 0, where Rx and Ry are the components. Rx will be equal to sigma Fx, Ry will be equal to sigma Fy. So since R is vertical, then Rx, Ry value will become, R is vertical, therefore Ry is equal to R, Rx is equal to 0. So next calculate for the forces. This is for resultant. Next calculate it for only the forces. Let us calculate sigma Fx. In the given problem, there is no horizontal forces. Sigma Fx means only the horizontal forces and horizontal components. So you are going to get that one as 0. Then calculate sigma Fy. Vertical forces and vertical components. So here it will become going upwards. So plus 100. Then plus F. Then don't take the resultant force. We need to consider only the normal forces. So then it is plus 300. This sigma Fy should be equal to Ry. That is Ry, we got it as R. So substitute. In this equation, the resultant is already given. Resultant is given as 600 Newton. So write this will be equal to R will be equal to 600. So here in this equation only the F is the unknown. If we calculate F, we are going to get it as 200 Newton. So we got the value of F. Then we need to calculate the position of the F from the point O. So for that calculate, there are two things in different ways we can calculate. First let us calculate the, since we need the position from the point A, let us calculate sigma m with respect to the point A. Here we are talking about position. Calculate sigma m with respect to the point A. So while calculating the moment, we need to keep these three things. Moment means F into D, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. If the force is passing through the moment center, then the moment will become 0. So here the A we are calculating with respect to A. 100 Newton is passing through the A point, it will become 0. Then force F into perpendicular distance of this force F from the point A is x, and it is rotating anti-clockwise, minus, then it is the resultant force, leave it. Then next force is 300 into perpendicular distance between this 300 Newton line and the point A is how much? 4.5 plus 2.5. It will become 5 plus 2 7, and with respect to A, this force is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction, so minus, then sigma MA equal to, we got this much. Then we have, for the position we have L is equal to sigma MA divided by R. So L is equal to sigma MA by R. So substitute the values. Sigma MA is, we got it as minus F into X. So we can rewrite this equation as L into R, that is equal to sigma MA. L into R, that is equal to sigma MA, where L is the perpendicular distance of the resultant from the point A. Here it is the resultant, R is equal to 600 Newton, it is the point A. From point A up to the resultant line, the perpendicular distance is 4.5. So it will become 4.5 into the resultant is how much? Given it as 600 Newton in the problem, that is equal to sigma MA is minus F into X minus 300 into 7, where F we got it as 200 here. So in this entire equation, the only unknown is X. If we calculate X, we got it as 3 meter from the A point. That's all for this problem. Thank you.